Wow, what a game that was.
And we have to congratulate
Both teams.
this boy over here.
Yes, I got it.
You know,
He
then
got his
2 goals.
prediction
No, I
right.
didn't get the
The
goal
scoreline.
score.
But he did get the draw.
The
The draw. The
That's
result.
what I wanted.
But before that, anything. Before anything else. I'm Iko,
Yeah.
This is JD.
and this is
Football Talk.
Ceres
Yeah.
versus Global. What can you say about that game?
Wow, yung comeback of the comeback. So, grabe.
Comeback of the
Yeah.
comebacks that could have been an
That-
epic comeback.
Oh my God, that
Equalizer.
That equalizer.
By
Equalizer.
Misa.
Oh God.
Of all people.
Well, it's
Well,
expected from Misa because
momentum.
you have a Hartman-less game. You have a Sato-less game.
Datoless.
Sato-less game.
Yes, because of
So,
suspension
Yes, and
So,
injuries.
and injuries.
It's
Mark
expected for Misag to be in the front, but at least when one of the crucial moments of the game as well, when OJ Clarino and
Israel.
Israel
Habib
Habib came in to
halftime
the
for
play and
Snorri
adjusted.
Suzuki and Dennis Villeneuve. But let's talk about the first half.
The first goal.
First
my
goal, oh dear.
goodness.
That is a
Wow.
poster moment. Sorry for
I
Patrick
need to see
Vieto.
it on replay
But
again. Because
it
ang
was
ganda eh.
really
I'm watching upstairs, I mean on the upper view, it really papasok talaga from our peripheral point of view, it's really gonna get in.
Pero I
So I'm
think-
surprised why he...
I think it
I
was
think
an
he
adjustment
thought-
for his part.
I think he thought it wasn't gonna go in because it went that way. Tapos biglang
But
nag-curve.
Nag-dip
it looked
eh.
like, yeah, but
That
it
dip
looked
was so perfect.
in our area, it's really gonna come in
Yeah.
regardless.
Maybe from that area yung akala.
Kahit half a ruler from the goal from the crossbar.
Hindi man lang yung
So,
tinaas
ano
yung
pa rin
arm
yun
mo.
eh. Yeah. So I was really
Yeah, but it was
surprised.
really expecting it
Tinignan
to
na
go
lang
out.
niya.
To go out.
Tinignan lang yung
Pero
ganun.
yun nga, they took wicked dip and crept in. But I think aside from Bienvenido Marañon, also have to give credit to Martin Stoible. That run from his own half
Definitely.
Definitely.
to the
Give,
attacking third and provide the final ball.
Ganda.
That was... And no one was there to mark him. I mean, yes, he dispossessed a pass, but no one was quick enough to come back from the midfield even to the defense.
Defense, yeah.
And at the end of the day, they all crammed on Martin, and the ball was away from his, or
Yeah.
Maranhon's path, and that led to the goal.
Pero
Second
grabe
goal.
yung
Second
free
goal.
kick.
Second goal nasa CR ako. So,
Ah.
Manny Ott, wherever you are, you have to take lead because your goal
And
was in
Marco.
the bathroom.
And your brother.
Yeah, brothers.
And Marco.
Should have seen his face when that thing came in. Went in pala.
Hindi, tsaka yung how the Ceres bench celebrated those two
Oh.
goals. It really felt that this is it, championship, it's close to our hands. But no, second half was a different story. 60th minute, Matthew Hartman free kick. From more or less the same spot.
Free kick or corner?
Free kick.
Free kick ba yun?
From near the same spot where Maniot scored that goal.
The second goal.
The first goal.
The first goal.
Yeah. Sent it straight to the crossbar. Louis Casas
Rebounded.
was just unable to get a hand to it.
walang ganon.
Goal
But
line technology. Goal line technology.
it was
We need
out. I saw it.
It was out.
It was out.
But
But OJ Clarino
right place at the right time.
with a header.
And someone from Singapore celebrated eh.
Oo.
Kaya masaya oh.
Malaman si ate din.
Si ate.
Especially
Go,
ate,
the
of
whole
course.
family. Either way. Kasi isa
The
kapatid
Bar
naman doon. The Bar Kids.
Vicky and more.
15 minutes after that. So,
And happy.
15 minutes after that, the comeback was complete. Lisa Bahadoran.
Oh my
What a
God.
finish.
Everyone was on their feet when he got that goal.
Yeah.
My goodness.
No, I went straight to, I think, Coach George or Coach Dan Padernal. And binuhat na nga siya after eh.
Because that really is a
He-
crucial part of the game.
He skipped like 3 defenders.
Yeah.
And
And it came from a pass from
yeah.
Karu Minigishi. So,
Flat
good
lang
combination.
Si Wani lang dun sa ano eh.
flat-footed
sa
si
box.
Wani, Cass.
Cotton flat.
I think, yun lang. In that
I
spell,
don't think because from what we have seen from Global, they're very predictable. So when Misag is positioned on that when he made that play, diba? Alam na nilang that
Dapat
Misa's
alam
gonna
na,
do
yeah.
that. But
They should have known that though.
Yeah.
But I
pero
don't know.
right after Misa's goal, Ceres looked really vulnerable that time. I mean,
yeah, they had
had Global scored a third goal and Izo had a chance. Asaki Yanagawa also had a chance. Just close. Okay, Izut, I think twice.
Twice, yeah.
Just gone over. Had it gone in, Ceres would have been lost.
Well, lost talaga siya kasi
I know,
3-2
I mean,
yun eh.
Two.
Not just
And
us,
we'll
so
have a different
this
story,
Grant,
but-
Yeah,
it-
different
the-
story.
But again, this draw, regardless of the
Ceres still leads 7
Ceres.
points.
2-2.
34 points
Yeah.
currently. Second is Kaya
Kaya.
with 28.
And Meralco.
And Meralco, but Kaya has superior goal difference.
And Global.
Fourth place is Global FC with
na.
27 points. Fifth is also Stalin with 27 points.
Yeah.
Sixth place, we have to mention this, Gao
Gao.
with 26 points. So the next matches are
Really
really,
crucial.
really crucial.
For the
On Wed-
second
to
the
six.
Second to six.
Because usually we just talk about first to third or first to
First to
fourth,
fourth.
but this time around,
Looks like
more of the
Ceres
two
is
1
to
to
actually-
6.
Either way, because if Ceres wins the league and the cup, the playoff spot for the AFC Cup will go to the second place
Second
team.
place team.
So that
So
race
that
for the
would
second
be-
place team is really crucial right now for everyone.
So-
because if Ceres wins the UFL Cup as well,
And
the next, di ba?
Ceres'
Di ba?
next assignment are the second place,
Second
which
place.
is no, sixth place first, which
Archers.
is Gao,
Gao.
and the second place, which is Kaya. If
If-
they drop points on those two games,
interesting na tong league.
It's
But
very
still,
interesting, yes.
Ceres what needs 2-3 games just to win the title. And if they need their opponents to drop, and they're going to face Kaya next week. So a win against
Next
Kaya
Sunday,
would
yeah.
be really crucial to their title.
so Kaya alam mo na.
but yun
But
nga,
of
they don't-
course, if
let's see what happens there.
but
Yes.
can you you've mentioned a while ago during the pregame that Global's kryptonite is Ceres. But from the first two games that we saw them this season,
Season.
Actually, 3 games
Ah.
this year.
you Ceres can't seem
To get past Global.
It's that
to get an outright win against Global
But compared
for this
to-
season.
ever since, except for the FA League Cup, I think most of the new additions to Ceres came from Global na they're off onto level something. But this global team has that experience, has helped them time and time again. One, they have the AFC Cup. They also have the Singapore Cup. They have that international experience which other teams do not have. I think the closest team that has international experience is Loyola.
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 Ceres
Loyola.
had, but
But that's just one
The
that's
playoffs.
just one game.
in Maldives.
So the international experience plus the ASCA's experience really helped them big time.
Syempre.
But we'll see. It's still
But we
not-
can't really say that then because Ceres has a lot of Ascal's players.
Yeah.
So,
And their key additions to the squad are also seasoned players.
One of
as well.
one of the best foreign players that we
Are
have,
in-
foreign-based players
Here in Ceres.
Are in
are in
Ceres,
Ceres,
yes.
and then also in Global somehow. So this is really, really a good caliber game that we saw
Yeah.
kanina. It's just that both teams did not get what they want, an outright win.
Yeah.
It was a draw.
so a draw is the proper way to do.
So,
But the implication for this race, title race, Wednesday and Saturday
Sunday.
games will be very much,
and Sunday.
and Sunday, sorry,
Very crucial.
Ceres to close it.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Ceres to lose for now.
Yes.
I think everybody is on the same page.
Correct.
But the second to 6, still a story.
7 to 6, yes. Kasi
Yeah.
magkakalapit lalo
Sobrang
sa
1 point, 28, 27, 26.
hanggang
eh.
sa
Magkagulo
last
kayo.
games yan siguro check na natin
Yeah.
yan hanggang sa last games kasi ranking.
Yep.
Important yan, di ba? The
Yes.
rankings because the rankings will determine who will be going to
AFC Cup play.
AFC
That
Cup.
still depends if Ceres wins the UFL Cup. If
If
someone
they have a
else,
double. Wow,
Yeah.
I've got a
Double,
double.
double.
Ceres, if someone else wins the UFL Cup, so that's their spot in the AFC Cup. So I think it's either for the
Wow,
second spot
man,
or
no?
the UFL Cup. I think most will prefer the UFL Cup.
Yeah.
Because truth be told, Ceres can
Buhay
still
pa
be
naman.
buhay pa yung UFL
Buhay pa
Cup.
ang
eh.
UFL
so
Cup.
the hope is alive.
Yeah.
Yes.
So anyways, guys.
Wait.
Let's have
Meron pa tayong speaking of cups.
Yes.
Yeah, we have the Singapore
Meron
Cup.
tayong Singapore Cups in 2015 RHB Singapore Cup which Global
Is playing there.
playing.
They're playing.
So, mga kababayan natin
all
sa
our
Singapore.
friends in Singapore,
Kilala niyo
or
kasi kaya,
those
nood.
want to watch Global live, all you have to do is
Go to
go to Jalan Besar. The game is in Jalan Besar Stadium. Kickoff is at 7:30 p.m.
on August 13.
August 13.
Then the second leg will be on August 16, same time at Bedok Stadium.
Yes, versus Geylang International at Bedok Stadium at 7:30. Now, tickets are free, but all you have to do is
Sign up.
For ticket reservations, kindly email. May listahan ako dito. Hindi. katliscano@gmail.com. That's KATLISCANO@gmail.com.
Okay, good.
Or Viber at ito, +63 922 833 2914. Again, it's 922. No, sorry. 63 922 833 2914.
Tweet us or comment on this video if you want.
You're interested.
Yes,
yeah,
we'll
interested.
forward it to Kat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, don't forget, September
Watch.
8, mag-file na ng leave, mag-file na ng early absence.
September 8.
September
8. It's
Uzbekistan game.
Uzbekistan!
The number 1 seeded team.
Yeah.
In our group.
Rank 75 in the FIFA rankings recently.
Oy, congrats pala. We're
Oh,
back.
yeah.
Number
1, 2, 4.
Yes.
1, 2, 4.
Highest
We're back.
ever?
Yes.
Yes, highest ever. 1, 2,
Imagine
4.
that, 1, 2, 4.
Yeah.
1, 2,
We never
Lapit.
really thought. Wow, malapit na 100 na lang.
Wait,
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
we're
Slowly
gonna
but
see
surely.
that. Then, ano pa ba mga ano natin?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for listening. What a game that was earlier.
What a game.
Ceres. League,
A nice
league is
Sunday
maybe
game.
sweet. Title race might be done and dusted, but there's still a lot of to anticipate for.
Lots of games pa.
Yep.
So,
I mean,
lots to watch.
Marami.
Everything's not finished until the last game.
Yeah.
Mas lalo itong league, tabulation 2 to 6.
So, Riot.
I think everyone wants that second place.
Safe ba?
Mukhang nyo naman ang press
Yeah,
statement.
it.
But
Mukhang yun eh.
then again, if you can change the fortunes of for the number 1, why not?
Yep. Okay, thank you guys for listening. This is Iko.
Yeah.
This is JD.
And this is